Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Fun Day, where we review our M1 Finance Roth IRA spreadsheet. So for the month of October, we were pretty fortunate to be able to add. Let's see how much we added here. We added $1,162. So we did that by doing our $5 a day deposits and our weekly 52-week challenge deposits. Also, I had some budgeted money, as you can see there. And then I also had some extra money, which was technically money I was supposed to pay something else with. Usually I try to save up all my insurance money. So that's basically my car insurance money. But I wanted to be able to take advantage of the prices of everything, just in case the prices went up, which actually ended up happening a couple Mondays ago. The stock market went through the roof. Apparently a lot of people had some extra money, or a lot of big businesses moved some money around, so the stock market went through the roof. So we've been pretty fortunate. As of right now, it is November 15th, and we are currently up $971.44, which is pretty exciting, but it could go down just as fast as it went up. But the one thing I want to take your attention to is that we have officially received over $108 worth of dividends, which is pretty impressive. We're currently sitting at about $40 a month on average for our dividend money, and then we have a total possible income of $475.09. We were able to add quite a few shares. So we added roughly 32.5 shares of SPHD. We also added about a little over a half a share of VTI. We added almost 8.5 shares of VYM. And we didn't add any of the long-term corporate bond index. But with all those purchases, that brings up our payment amount. So every time we get paid by SPHD, which is monthly, it brings it up to almost $18. And then VTI is up to almost $9. And then VYM, which will be paying here next month, it's brought that payment all the way up to $45. If you look over here, the last time we got paid by VYM, the first time it was 78 cents. The second time it was that's the wrong one. The second time it was, that's not it either. The second time was $28.97. So we've almost doubled our dividend payments, which brings the total for that one all the way up to $182, and SPHD is going to pay us $215 a year, even if we don't add any money to that investment. But that brought our total monthly income for dividends up to $15.79. And as you can see, we still have 6 more payments to make. This one's going in on Monday, so we've only got to add about another $537 to our Roth IRA for 2020. But as you can see, as we're adding money, our dividend money's coming up, so that'll keep making it us able to be able to purchase more and more funds, which will also increase the dividend payment amounts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see other investing videos, check out the ones on the screen now or over in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.